Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix. Please check your connection and try again. Error on the Snapchat. So the process is pretty simple. If you are facing this type of error, log in to your account. So follow this procedure. Maybe some of it will work for you. So first of all, make sure your internet connection is strong for login to your account. And if it's not, try to connect with some Wi-Fi or make sure you have data package on your phone. Or you can simply restart your internet connection to solve this issue, and hopefully this trick will work for you. Other trick is that go back and open your Play Store, and in the Play Store you have to search for the Snapchat. Once you will search for the Snapchat, you have to update it from here. If it's not updated, maybe this issue will happen due to the not updated application of the Snapchat. Other way is that go to the settings and search for the apps and the notification. And once you will go to the apps and the notification, you have to search for the Snapchat here. Once you will search for it. Now from here, you have to click on the storage and the cache. And from here, you can simply clear your storage and try to log into your Snapchat account. Hope this folder will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.